So you're new to Forex and you want to learn how to grow a small account. I got you. So in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to grow a small account from beginner level to a pro level. Without further ado, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. And as I teach you how to make money with the Forex market. Let's go. So guys, the first thing that you need to know when you're growing a small account, always be okay with your wins. And with that, I mean, whenever you make money, be okay with whatever you've made. If you made $100, $200, be okay with it. Don't let the market take back that money. Don't be in the market and you're still running profits, and then you be like, maybe it will go more, you get more money, the numbers will change. Because whenever you think of that, the market will always stand back and you lose all the money, guys. So you always have to be okay with your wins when you're growing a small account. You get? So whenever you're growing a small account and it's your first time making $100, close your profits. Close your profits. If you don't close them, the market will always take them back. That's what I mean by be okay with your wins. Number two, always follow your trading plan. Don't ever change your trading plan or never go astray. If you have your trading plan is to trade GBP, US dollar, or pound, CAD, pound, JPY, always trade the same currencies. Don't trade other currencies that are not on your trading plan. Follow your trading plan. If it's market structure, follow it. The type of market structure, the way you analyze your market. Whenever you change your trading plan and you go astray, you can never grow a small account. And how to grow a small account is always following your trading plan. Even though you make losses, making losses is fine, as long as you learn from our losses that we make. So make sure to always follow your trading plan. And you should have, like, if you don't have a trading plan, you have to create one, because with Forex we need to have a trading plan, because you can't just jump in, and if you jump in, the market will eat your money, or it will eat your money and blow up your accounts, and it will create a plan for you. It will force you to create a plan. So guys, you should always have a Forex trading plan and you should always follow it. That's number two. Number four, never lose confidence. So by that I mean, whenever you lose money in the Forex market, whenever you blow up an account, just make sure never to lose confidence, but let that be your strength. Know where you went wrong in the market, know what you did wrong, so that it can just motivate you to come back and kill the market. Because we were there one time. No trader that has just had the smooth path into trading from just a beginner and they go straight to pro. We all went through the same rocks, and I was there once. I made mistakes, I lost money, but I never lost confidence, because the moment you lose confidence like this, that's what the market wants. It will eat all your money, and then you go, you leave Forex, and Forex has a lot of money. There is a lot of money in the Forex market that we have to get. So make sure to stay strong and never lose confidence. Because when you lose confidence, remember, there's always someone else that wants to take that money. There's always someone else who's going to gain confidence in the market when you're losing confidence. And this is a life lesson. So guys, never lose confidence in the Forex market, because you always make it. And I promise you, when you stick to this, from number one to number four, I've told you, you'll be able to grow a small account, even a big account. Number five, make sure to withdraw your profits. Make sure to withdraw your profits. This is like motivation. Why would you make money in the Forex market without withdrawing it? Make sure to withdraw it. Whenever you make money in the Forex market and you withdraw it, it motivates you, Whenever you grow an account from $500 to $1,000, withdraw 200. Go spend it on your girlfriend, your family, you yourself, buy yourself clothes. Let that be motivation for you to keep on going. And I've seen most of the traders, they just want to make money and grow an account to a certain amount, and then after some time they get comfortable with the market and it eats all their money. Like even the money that they would have withdrawn and done something with it, they lose it all because they are confident with the market. Excuse me. So make sure whenever you're in the Forex market and you make money, me myself, I make withdrawals weekly. I don't do withdrawals monthly, because in the Forex market, you're your own boss. You are your own boss. So make sure whenever you're in the Forex market and you make money weekly, you make withdrawals. As I've told you, me, I make withdrawals weekly, so I can buy myself new sneakers. I can invest it in somewhere else, in cryptocurrency. I buy my mom something, my sisters, my little siblings. I go take my girlfriend out, so that I can know that Forex is working for me. But whenever I'm not withdrawing, that's one of the things. So basically, I'm sorry for all those too much words, but Forex, whenever you withdraw, the withdrawal is just to motivate you to keep on going hard. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, share and like, plus hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And remember to be humble with the market, or the market will make you humble. See you in my next video.